Have you ever wondered if animals can have autism? The idea may seem unusual, but many scientists and animal behavior specialists are investigating patterns that resemble the autism spectrum disorder in species such as dogs, cats, horses, and even dolphins. Imagine a cat that avoids contact with other felines, spends hours fixated on the movement of a shadow, or a dog that doesn't respond to its owner's call and seems immersed in its own world. Could these behaviors indicate a condition similar to autism? This is a question that has intrigued scientists for years. Autism in humans is characterized by difficulties in social interaction, repetitive behavior patterns, and a different sensory perception. But identifying something similar in animals is a challenge because they communicate and interact differently. Some research suggests that certain dogs, especially breeds such as bull terriers and German shepherds, may exhibit behavioral patterns that resemble the autism spectrum. They may display repetitive movements, like chasing their own tail for hours, avoiding eye contact, or having difficulty connecting with humans and other animals. The case of horses also draws attention. Some specimens show extreme sensitivity to noise, refuse social interactions with the herd, and have a routine of ritualistic behaviors. This resembles one of the common traits in human autism: sensory hypersensitivity. Additionally, scientists have already analyzed the behavior of dolphins, incredibly intelligent and social animals. Some observations suggest that certain individuals avoid interactions within the group, swim repetitively, and seem to overreact to sound stimuli. But what could cause these behaviors? Some specialists hypothesize that genetic and environmental factors may influence them. In dogs, for example, excessive inbreeding, that is, mating between individuals that are very closely related genetically, can increase the incidence of atypical behavioral patterns. Another line of study explores the role of neurochemistry. Just like in human autism, changes in neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin may be linked to repetitive behaviors and difficulties in social interaction in animals. However, it is important to highlight that, so far, there is no definitive diagnosis of autism in animals. What we have are behavioral patterns that resemble the human disorder. Scientists still need to delve deeper into studies to better understand these manifestations. But one thing is certain: science is always evolving and helping us to better understand not only humans, but also the animals that share this planet with us. And maybe, in the future, we can better understand these differences and how we can help our four-legged friends live a more balanced and happy life. And you? Have you ever seen an animal with peculiar behaviors that resemble autism? Tell us in the comments. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more curiosities about autism spectrum disorder.